Welcome to everyone. This week video will be a short video. I will cover the Bitcoins for the week of January 22nd, 2024. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe and click on the bell to make sure you don't miss any future videos. Before we start, make sure you read carefully the disclaimer. To trade the Bitcoins, we have many different possibilities. We have the futures market, the cash market, the D.J.I.A ETF. On January 11th, we have a new ETF, the IBIT. The difference between the both is, for the first time, the IBIT have a correlation with the spot price. The D.J.I.A have a correlation with the futures market. But since there is not enough data with the new ETF, I still prefer D.J.I.A, which also can be traded with the options market. He paid very good dividends. In December 2023, D.J.I.A paid 14 cents as dividend. Here the correlation chart between D.J.I.A and the spot prices. The last Bitcoins update was on December 18, 2023. During this update, I placed the 4.5-year cycle on November 2022 at 15,599. During the same update, we were expecting the 20-week cycle low forming around mid-January. Because the principle of synchronicity, the 18 months and all other short-term cycles will form a bottom at the same time. If you need more information on the principle of synchronicity, I recommend to watch my series of videos on Introduction to Cycles. I post the link in the description below. Let's see what's happened since then. The 40-week cycle. For the 40-week cycle, there is no change is still scheduled for this month, the yellow zone on the chart. The 20-week cycle. The last 20-week cycle low occurred on September 11, 2023. And the next one was expected last week's on January 20th. Technically, the Bitcoin should find support on his cycle line. But since the Bitcoin's market is very bullish, there is a possibility the market won't reach it. The 20-week cycle line for the next 3 weeks is at 36,763, 38,468 and 42,358. The success rate is 75%. The 80 days cycle. The last 80 days cycle occurred on November 14th, and the present one last Saturday on January 20th. The next one is scheduled for March 28th. On January 17th, the Bitcoins crossed below his cycle line at 42,500 for a potential downside target at 36,030, or $6,469 or 15%. The success rate is 100%. The 40 days cycle. On January 15th, the Bitcoin's market crossed below his cycle line at 42,614, providing a downside target at 36,258. Or $6,355 or 15%. Since we expect an 18-month cycle low to form this month, this 40-day cycle was expected on January 20th, and doesn't matter what's happened, the next one on February 23rd. The success rate is 72%. The 20 days cycle. This 20-day cycle is expected on January 20th, and the next one on February 6th. On January 12th, the Bitcoins crossed below his cycle line at 43,500 for a potential target at 38,030, or $5,469, or 12%. The success rate is 86%. The 10 days cycle. On January 12th, the market crossed below his cycle line at 44,000 for a possible target at 39,030, or $4,970, or 11%. The success rate is 83%. When we'll know when the 18-month cycle has formed a low? When the market will cross above his 20-day cycle line, this will be the first sign of the potential 18-month low. We will have other confirmation when the Bitcoins will cross above his 40 and 80-day cycle line. We have to watch carefully those cycle lines. Also the 20-week cycle line, if the market crosses below it, then we may have to switch to the bearish scenario. In conclusion, The Bitcoin's still in bull market, but on the short-term basis, the market is slightly bearish. If you need more information about the success rate, on the first update video of this year, I published the success rate table for the year 2023, for all the markets I am following. This is the end of this week video. Thank you for following me. Next week, I will publish another market update.